In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test Klaviyo flows. Whether you're new to email marketing or looking to refine your campaign performance, understanding how to effectively test your flows in Klaviyo can significantly impact your marketing success. So let's dive right into the process. First off, let's begin with logging into your Klaviyo account. Head over to the Klaviyo website and click the login button. This should be pretty straightforward. Once the login page loads, you'll need to enter your email and password. Make sure you're entering the credentials for the account that holds the flows you want to test. After you've entered your details, click the login button again to access your Klaviyo dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Klaviyo homepage. From here, we're going to access the flows section. Look for the flows option in the dashboard menu and click on it. This will take you to the page where all your existing flows are listed. Now let's find the specific flow you want to test. Since Klaviyo offers a myriad of pre-built and custom flow options, you might need to scroll through or search for the particular flow you're interested in. For our purposes today, let's say we're looking to test a happy birthday email flow. Go ahead and click on that flow from the list of existing flows. In the flows editor page, the next step is crucial for setting your flow live. Look for the review and turn on button, which is your gateway to activating the flow. Before you click on it, it's a good idea to double check all your flow settings and email content to ensure everything is lined up correctly. Clicking on review and turn on will bring up the flow status options. Here you'll see a toggle that's likely set to draft mode. To test your flow, you'll need to switch this toggle to live. Keep in mind that making a flow live means it will start to trigger based on the conditions you've set, so ensure you're ready for that. After you've set the flow to live, it's important to save your changes. Look for the save button and give it a click. This ensures all your adjustments are securely stored and your flow is ready to go. Finally, you might see a confirmation message or another pop-up confirming that your changes have been saved. If so, click on dismiss to clear it out of your way. Congratulations. You've successfully set a Klaviyo flow live. But what's next? Well, testing doesn't stop at just making a flow live. You'll want to monitor the performance of your flow closely. Check on metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to understand how your flow is performing. These insights can help you tweak and improve your flow over time. A good practice is to send a test email to yourself or a small segment of your audience before going fully live. This allows you to catch any last-minute errors or make adjustments to optimize for better engagement. Remember, the key to successful email marketing is continually testing and optimizing your flows. Klaviyo makes it relatively easy to edit and adjust your flows, so don't hesitate to use the data you gather to refine and improve your email campaigns. Testing your Klaviyo flows is a critical step in ensuring your email marketing strategy is as effective as possible. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating engaging and profitable email marketing campaigns. Keep experimenting with different types of flows, segmentations, and messaging to find what works best for your audience. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial on how to test Klaviyo flows. I hope you found this guide helpful and are now more comfortable navigating and utilizing Klaviyo's flow features for your marketing needs. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your email marketing efforts. Happy testing!